Good day, this is Attila Kovács from GTC.news StockScope results. Last week has given us the first round of the earnings season, led by impressive bank sector results. Not surprising, Airlines also had been at its A game by the end of the last year. These results are going to be giving us further positive outcomes on long term, but wouldn't be surprised if the same will happen on daily basis as well. Airlines released its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, January the 11th. The transportation company reported $0.96 EPS for the quarter, topping the estimates of $0.88 by 8 cents. The company earned $10.25 billion during the quarter, meanwhile had a return on equity of 26.49% and the net margin of 8.67%. The business quarterly revenue was up 8.3% on a year-over-year basis. The airline had a great quarter, beating its on-time rates for the past 8 years in November. The company's market value rose to $42.82 billion, while its price target was increased to $65 by major investment banks. It is currently trading on $59.83. BlackRock announced its quarterly earnings results on Friday, January the 12th. The asset management reported $6.24 earnings per share for the period, with earnings of $3.47 billion. During the quarter, BlackRock had a net margin of 29.52% and a return on equity of 12.01%. The company's quarterly revenue was up 20% compared to the same quarter in 2016. The $88.2 billion worth company has been growing steadily, topping estimates as net flows set records, which shown great rally in its stock price. It has gapped up 3.27% in a single trading day, and as executives have given a great outlook for 2018, it seems to aim higher on the tax law, even so its price target is lower than the current price. JP Chase released its earnings results also on Friday, January the 12th. The financial service provider reported $1.76 EPS for the quarter, topping estimates of $1.69 by 7 cents, and had a revenue of $24.15 billion for the quarter. JP Morgan had a net margin of 24.08% and a return on equity of 11.68%. The business quarterly revenue was up 3.3% on a year-over-year basis. As you know, the investment bank has a market cap of $393.46 billion and it keeps strengthening on US economic growth. The company's stock is trading in greens these days, and its current $112.67 is 15% away from the awesome price target, which has raised just over a week ago. Wells Fargo released its quarterly earnings data also on Friday, January the 12th. The financial service provider reported $0.97 EPS for the quarter, missing estimates of $1.04 by 7 cents, while earned $22.02 billion during the quarter. Wells Fargo had a return on equity of 12.59% and a net margin of 22%. The firm's revenue for the quarter was up 2.22% compared to the same quarter in 2016. The investment institute is still not ready to get back to its old self and tempted to cut pricing on tax overall. The market value of Wells Fargo is still over $300 billion and most probably will remain there, as it has been upgraded and given a $75 price target, while it is trading on $62.55 today. My name is Attila Kovács. This is StockScope Results. Thank you for your attention. Have a great trading week. Bye.